Hi, welcome back to the channel BRILL-Learnings. I have started a new series. In this series, I am going to cover up all previous year maths questions related to CTET Paper 1 and Paper 2. As you all know that CTET exam is going to be conducted in the month of February. Whoever preparing for CTET exam, my videos will be more useful for them. Please make use of it because I have used some tricks, tips and easy ways. Please find my videos. Without further delay, let's move on to the first question. But before that, please subscribe to the channel because I'm going to do more videos related to CTET, KVS, NVS. Let's solve this first question. In how many ways 48 small squares of 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter can be arranged so that the resulting area is 48 centimeter square? In this question, we have 48 small squares with the side 1 centimeter, right? So with the help of all these 48 small squares, we need to make some arrangements and the area of that arrangement should be 48 centimeter square. That is the question. And observe one thing, this 48 is not a perfect square. That means we'll not get arrangement like squares. We'll get only rectangle shaped arrangements only in this question, okay, because 48 is not a perfect square. So what is the formula for area of a rectangle? L into breadth. So length into breadth equal to, in this question it should be 48. The arrangement should be 48. Like this we need to arrange. Take the page. We can arrange 1 into 48, okay, 2 into 24 we can arrange, 3 into 16 we can arrange, 4 into 12 we can arrange, with the help of 5 we cannot arrange, 6 into 8 we can arrange. After this value we will get repeated value. Can we take this 8 into 6 or 12 into 4 like this? We cannot take these values. We need to take only distinct values, unique values only we need to take. Like arrangements, whether it is vertical arrangement or horizontal arrangement, that doesn't matter here, but the arrangement values are same. Here we are using 12 and 4, here also 4 and 12. That is why we are taking only one unique value. That is why we have, in this question we got 2 3 4 5 pages. We can, in 5 ways we can arrange this. Next question, let's move on to the next question. In a school assembly, students of a class are standing in a line. Rushi is 19th from the both ends. In how many students are present in that line? It is very simple question. First 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 19. Here also take values from here 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 19, right? Up to 19. So from both ends he is 19 only. That is why split here. Up to here how many members are here? 19. Later his position is 19 from the back end also. So up to here 18 members are present. So total 19 plus 18, that is 37. Let's move on to the next question. Ashmita reaches school for a meeting 15 minutes before 8:30 am. That means she attended the meeting at 8:15 only. 15 minutes, you can deduct 15 minutes. She reached half an hour earlier than her colleague who is 40 minutes late for the meeting. She reached half an hour earlier than her colleague means her colleague came at half an hour late, right? Add that 30 minutes to it, we will get 8:45. Who is 40 minutes late for meeting? That means deduct that 40 minutes. Then we'll get the time of starting time of the meeting. So this is our answer, both one. Let's move on to the next question. A number is larger than half of 100. It is more than 6 tens and less than 8 tens. The sum of its digits is 9. The tens digit is double of the ones digit. What is the number? This kind of question can be solved very easily. First, take individual statement and check the given option whether those options are following this condition or not. If the option doesn't follow that condition, straight away you can take out that option. Okay, first, what is the condition given? A number is larger than half of 100, means half of 100 means 50. It is greater than 50. First condition, all options are following. Second condition, it is more than 6 tens and less than 8 tens. 6 tens means 60. It is more than 60 and less than 80. So 54, third option is not following. Other, and 81 also, it is beyond 81, means this is also not following. Right answer is in between these two numbers. Next, check the next question, next statement. The sum of its digits is 9. So last statement, oh, this one also, these two options are following the third statement. And last statement, the tens digit is the double of the ones digit. Take tens digit, double of ones digit. So option 2 is following, right? So 3 2s 6. So option 2 is the right answer. Let's move on to the next question. The rates of various stationery items are given below. So what is the question here? Shoel buys 1 packet of crayons. First, 1 packet of crayon costs 15.50. Next, 2 packets of pencils. 1 packet of pencil is 14. 2 packets 28 rupees. Next, 1 packet of sketch pens. 1 packet of sketch pen 22.50. Next, 1 scissors 17 rupees. 5 sheets of glazed papers. 1 sheet of glazed paper is 2.5. 5 sheet means 12.50. Next, and 1 pack of decorative sticker. 1 pack of decorative sticker is 5 rupees only. So add all these values. So 0.5, 1.5 means answer should be ends with 0.5. So first option is not right, second is not right. So answer should be in these two. So next, you can add all these values, you will get third option. So next question. A train starts from Patna on 30th May 2020 at 23:40. It is a railway time. So 23:40 means 11:40 p.m. So we have 20 minutes in 30th date, 30 May 2020. So reaches Mumbai on 1st June. In between we have 1 day, right? So 24 hours 00 minutes. That is 31st May 2020. So June at 5:15. 5:15 means it's morning time only. 5 hours 15 minutes. So add total time, so that we'll get total travel time. So 35 minutes and 29 hours. 29 hours 35 minutes. Option C. Let's move on to the next question. In a 5-digit number, a digit at the 100th place is 3/4 of the digit at the 10th place. So this kind of questions can be solved by taking each and every statement individually and apply those statements on the given options, whether option is following it or not. If the option doesn't follow that option, that condition, you can straight away eliminate that option. So take 5-digit number first. What is given here? 5-digit number. So I have taken 5-digit numbers. What is the first condition? The digit at the 100th place is 3/4 of the digit at the 10,000th place. So digit at the 100th place, what is the, this is 100th place. So whatever the digit we have here, it should be 3/4 of the digit at this 10,000th place. That means cross check the option first. First option, in the first option 10,000 place is 8 and 3/4 of this number, 4 1s are 4 2s are, you will get 6. So in the third position, 100th position, we have 106 only. So this is following the condition, right? This may be answer. Next one, cross check that. 4 and 3/4 of that number, 4 4 cancel, will get 3. In the second option also 4 3. This is also following the condition. Let's check third option. This is not following, means you can straight away eliminate this, and this is also not following, eliminate these two. Answer should be in these two options only. So take the next statement here. The digit at the 10th place is 2/3 of the digit at the 100th place. Digit at the 10th place, 2/3 of the digit at the 100th place, whatever the value in the 100th place, out of that value 2/3 of the value should be second, that is 10th place. What is the value we have here? 6. In the first case 6 into 2/3, 3 ones are 3 twos are, so we will get 4 here. In the second case, second option, we have 3 in the 100th place, 3 into 2 by 3, cancel it, we will get 2. So both statements are again following. So both statements are again following the condition. So let's move on to the next condition. The digit at the 10th place is square of the smallest prime number. The digit at the 10th place, out of these two number, one is have 4 and another has 2. So smallest prime number, square of the smallest prime number. What is the smallest prime number? 2. Square of it, we will get 4. Which option? First option. The first option is right option. Likewise only we have to eliminate the options. Okay, let's move to the next question. In this question, 16-liter capacity bucket is available. We have 16-liter capacity bucket filled to the brim with the water. What is the capacity? 16-liter capacity. We have another mug, but the capacity of this mug hasn't given. Okay, but in order to empty this tank, bigger bucket, completely with the help of this smaller jar, it has to be dipped 50 times. How many times? 50 times. That means 50 times capacity of this smaller mug is equal to 16 liter, right? So 50 times capacity of the smaller mug is equal to 16 liter. So capacity of the smaller mug is equal to 16. We may take convert this into ml, 1000 milliliters by 50. 51s are 50, 20 times, so 16, 320 ml. The capacity of the smaller mug is 320 ml. Next question. A taximeter shows charges of 50 rupees for first 2 kilometers of journey and 16 rupees for every subsequent kilometers traveled. Manju pays 258 rupees as fare to travel from her house to railway station. How far is the railway station from her home? It's a simple question. So for the first time, if it is uniform rate throughout, then you can directly straight away take 258 into whatever the amount per kilometer is given, you can take that. But here in this question, they have given 50 rupees for the first 2 kilometers. That means for every kilometer, 25 rupees he is charging for first 2 kilometers only, right? So first subtract that value, 50 rupees, take that out. So we'll have 208 rupees. For subsequent kilometers he has paid 208 rupees. That means 208 for every kilometer he is paying 16 rupees at uniform rate. So straight away you can divide this value. 16 ones are 16 ones are 16 threes are, so 13 kilometers. Initially he has traveled 2 kilometers. So total we have 15 is the distance between his railway station, her home to railway station is 15 kilometers. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.